Next, in JavaScript, we are going to do switch statement, in which we are going to create a simple calculator, which is going to calculate addition of two numbers, subtraction, multiplication, division also. And we are going to take input of number with the help of prompt box. So here I am creating a file 16.html. It's already there. So 17.html, and in this file, this is our basic Emmet code. And here after body section, I'm giving script tag, and within this script tag, I'm declaring one variable, let a equals to, here I'm using prompt box, prompt, enter the value of a. Similarly, we are taking another variable, let b equals to prompt, enter the value of b. And let c equals to, here we are going to take input of operator, prompt, enter the operation you want to perform. Now here we are putting switch, and here we have to pass which operation which we want to perform. Here I am passing C. Now input of number, if we are taking it with the help of prompt box, that is in the form of string, we cannot add two strings. You will see it. So here we have taken input of we have passed C as an expression, which is operator. Now here it is case. We will start from case, and here we have to pass within double quotes which operation which you want to perform. First is, here if we are giving plus as operator, then that operator will come here, and then it will switch over to this case plus. And here we want to add console.log, and here I'm doing a plus b, and after this break. Similarly for subtraction, if C is minus sign, case within double quotes I'm giving minus, and here it is console.log, here I'm doing a minus b, and break. We'll do this much right now. When we'll run it, now here it is asking me for the value of a. I have passed 8. Again I'm passing 9. Okay, which operation you want to perform? I want to perform addition, so I have passed 1. Now what it will do, it is not going to add 8 and 9, it is going to put 8 and 9 together. 8 and 9 is not going to give 17 as addition, it is going to put 8 and 9 together as 89. Here we have to go to inspect, because it is, we have taken input of numbers with the help of that prompt box, so it is considering these numbers as string. So what here we have to do is, we have to take that number out of that string. If that number is integer, we are considering that number as integer, then we have to put parse int, and if that number is float number, then we have to put parse float, parse int. And similarly for b, parse int, save it, and we can again see, here I'm passing 8, second number is 9, and which operation we want to perform? It is addition. Okay, now it has given 17 as output. Now we have done plus and minus. Same way we can do multiplication. A multiplied by B. Division. A divided by B. Then as modulus, which is going to give us remainder. And last is default case. Console.log, and here we are printing a message, no operation to be performed. So prompt box was taking input of number as a string, so we have to take number out. So we have done parse int. As a number I was considering was integer, so I have put here parse int. If it was float number, then we have to put parse float. Save it, and now here I'm giving 2. Second number is 3. Okay, and here I'm giving addition, so it has given. Again we have to do 4. Again we are giving 4. Operation we have to perform is plus. 8 it has given. Refresh. I'm giving 7. First number 3. We have to do minus. It is giving 4. Now for multiplication 5. And second number I'm giving is 6. Okay. And which operation we have to perform? We have to do multiplication. 5 6 are 30. Then we have to do division. Here I'm giving 6 divided by 3. It is going to give a quotient. Here we have to give division sign. 3 2s are 6. Then here I'm giving modulus. We have to do modulus. Here I'm giving 15 divided by 5. And here we are giving modulus sign. Remainder is 0. And last one we are going to check for default case. I'm giving 7, 8, and here I'm not giving any particular operation, so no operation to be performed. So this way we can create simple calculator with the help of a switch case.